Is the other one going across? Or he can't figure out how to get through the fence. He's pacing back and forth. Look at him. There he goes.
There we go. Got two of them actually crossing.
This portion, we're actually going through and stopping in the middle for taking pictures. I don't know if we had to be in 4-wheel, but because I'm a rookie, and this is a little bumpy.
You got this. Going this slow, I can see all the rock outside.
This is still a level 1 or 2. This is probably a 2.
That was fun.
So we decided to just stop on the side of the trail and have lunch. Here's our view. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? I should have turned that on when we entered this area.
This is so beautiful. And we're driving right through it.
Right in front of us.
Uh-huh.
Well, you know all those people climbing on top?
Uh-huh.
We're driving on top.
Wow.
I'm not kidding. We really are driving on
No,
top
I
of
know
one.
we are.
There were a couple places back there where there were erosion on both sides. They barely squeezed through the middle.
Okay. I will admit that was fun.
I wonder if that fellow wants to fight chicken. Just passing through, ladies. We're gonna get through. Are they gonna move off the path or make us go around? She moved. Sorry to disturb you.
Hi there.
This one is big old path.
Oh, honey, look at this spot here.
Yeah. We're in a Jeep, though. If the cows can make it, we can make it.
Yeah.
There's that little calf.
Watch his foot.
I know.
Okay. Thank you.
You watch your foot, little fella.
He's like, I'm gonna get out of here. I don't trust this thing. Are you going to just stand there or are you going to move?
Hardest part of the trail
Cows.
is that dip in the middle of the cows. What?
That might be
Alright, I don't know if y'all can see this. It looks it looks like that's our way up. This could be fun. This was listed as the most technical part of the trail. Technically, this trail is listed as a 5, but because of that, the reports, trail reports were saying it's a 1 or a 2, except for the end.
We'll see if we can make it up it.
Well, if we can't, we got to go back. I think we can make it. It's just a steep ascent, 15-degree ascent. We will put it in 4 low, and we will grunt our way up that hill. I'm just looking forward to it.
For sure.
I'm addicted, I think. Already. Wow.
I know.
I wonder if it's a pastime for the people who live in that house to sit and watch idiots try to climb that hill.
It looks like there's a hill coming down from the path coming down from the house. What are you doing?
Onyx doesn't know exactly where we're at. Thinks we're way off the path. I want to make sure that we're going up the right one. But that's where this leads. I'm not sure that's a fact. Alright, 4 low.
Yep.
Traction control is off. ESC is off, whatever that is. Electronic stabilization. The nannies are off. We are just gonna, come on, Firefly. We're gonna grunt our way up this hill. The gravel is what bothers me the most.
Don't try to go too fast. You've got it in 4 low.
She was like, this is what I was made for.
You gotta be careful of the ruts up here.
Okay, we're gonna have a big bump on your side while I get
Yep.
off to that side. And I'm gonna straddle this.
Yep. I'm bubble head.
Oh, let's do it again.